welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. So I know I have been gone for so long, legit. I think my last video was 2 months ago, and that is so bad. I literally feel so guilty for not putting up a video in 2 months. I have just been extremely busy. Typically, I'm not one to be booked and busy. I just have a lot of time to film. But the new year and even the ending of last year have been very hectic for me between my personal life and my business life or professional life, which is a good thing, you know. Like I said, I'm just not one to be used to being booked and busy from like other companies and stuff. So that's a blessing. But at the same time, I feel really bad for neglecting my channel. And I promise I am back this time and I will be more consistent. That is one of my goals actually this year, is to be more consistent on my channel. Typically, I'm very consistent on my other social media outlets, and YouTube is just one that I need to work on, and I know that. But thank you guys for being patient with me, for being understanding. There have been many of you who've been asking me what's going on with my channel, and I did explain it on Instagram. So thank you guys for understanding that. And I also explained it on my Snapchat. But if you don't follow me on none of those, you can look at the description. I have all of my links right there for you guys to check it out. But anyways, this look, I wanted to do something different for Valentine's Day. I feel like a lot of people do kind of like the same type of looks for Valentine's Day, and it's the same for like Christmas and stuff. You know, it's typical looks that people do. And I wanted to do a look. I'm gonna do two. So this one is one, and then I will be doing a video for another. So this video is more like the anti-Valentine's Day girl, the one that feels like she doesn't need a man and she's super independent, and Valentine's Day is just another day in the calendar, nothing special. So that's why it's a little bit more edgier, more dark. And then my next one is going to be the girl that I am, that loves Valentine's Day and is all about love and loves everything that has to do with being in love. And that will probably be something a little bit more softer. So one or the other. We have two different extremes. Hopefully one of these videos caters to the type of person that you are. But anyways, enough of that, and we are just gonna jump right into it and get started, guys. Starting with priming my face, I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty Primer, and I'm just going to apply that everywhere and then massage it in. My lips are a little dry, so I'm going with the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Lip Treatment just to moisturize my lips a little bit. Next, I'm moving on to my eyes, and I'm going to go in with the Beauty Creations Elsa palette, and I'm going to go in with that soft brown right there, and that's what I'm going to apply on my crease as a transition color. We are going really dark with the eyes, so as a base, I'm going to go in with the Makeup Forever Aqua XL Color Paint in the color M10. Now I'm just taking a blending brush, just kind of buffing it up a little bit more so it blends a little bit more smoothly. Next, I'm going to go in with the Too Faced Glitter Bomb Palette, and I'm going to take that black right there, and that's what I'm going to put right over the black paint. When you're working with dark eyeshadows like this, you usually want to do your eyes first because of fallout. If the foundation was already on, it'd be a little bit more of a problem. And then with the same brown that I put in the beginning of the video, I'm just adding some more to make sure those two colors blend together. Next, I'm going to go in with the Hank & Henry F Me Pumps Pressed Pearls, and I'm going to apply that right over the black eyeshadow. and I'm just dusting some fallout off. And now I'll be moving on to my foundation, and I'm going in with the Huda Beauty Amaretti liquid foundation. Look what I'm back to using, the Beauty Blender. Haven't used one in months. Moving on to highlighting my face, I'm going in with the CoverGirl Vitalist Healthy Concealer. You will see me start with this one, which is the color Medium Deep, but I felt like it was a little bit too dark, so I did add some of the light one just to brighten it up a little bit more. Next, I'm going to set all of that with the Mercier translucent powder. I forgot to show it on the camera, the actual product, but I've used it in all of my videos, so you guys could always look back at other ones to see what it looks like, or you could just use Google. Now I'm just dusting it off after it's kind of settled for about 5 minutes. Then I'm going to set the rest of my face using the Mercier powder in the number 3. Moving on to contouring my face, I'm going with the Sleek Makeup Light Face Form Palette. And I'm going to take the contour shade that's in there, and that's what I'm going to use to bronze up my face a little bit. Moving on to blush, I'm going in with the Saharan Blush Vol.II palette by Juvias Place, and I'm going to take that coral shade and apply that to my cheeks. And I kind of forgot to contour my nose. I don't know how. Now onto the moment I've been dying for. This is my first time ever using this, and I'm so excited to use it. It is gorgeous. It is the Anastasia and Amrezy highlighting palette. Look at that. Or it could be Amrezy. I don't know if I'm saying it right, but either way, I mean, look at that glow. Now to align my waterline, I'm going to go in with the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in the shade 0. Now I'm just smoking it out with the same black eyeshadow I put on my lid. To add an extra pop on my inner corner, I'm going to take that pearl color right there and apply that on to the tear duct area. Now for mascara, I am using the MAC in Extreme Dimension Mascara. For my falsies, I forgot to show you guys the box. I don't know what's with me, but I'm using the Miami Lily Lashes, and I have a discount code, so check the description for that. Now on to my brows. I'm just brushing my brow hairs up to get it nice and even. Now for my brow gel, it's actually a brow gel that I bought at Target from Elf. Well, no, it's not a brow gel, actually. It's an eyeliner, my bad. But I'm using it as a brow gel. It's a brown gel eyeliner, and I wanted to see how it looks on the brows, and so far, I'm really feeling it. Now on to the lips. I'm going to go in with the Gerard Cosmetics Sugar and Spice Lip Liner. It is a very soft and neutral liner, which I really love. Now I'm just applying some of the liner on the inner corners of my lips. It kind of makes it look a little bit more plump. Then I'm going to go in with the Fenty Beauty Up to No Good Plush Matte Lipstick. Next, I'm just going to take an eyeshadow applicator, blend it all together, and I'm going to change my clothes, fix my hair up a little bit, and we're all set. Thanks for watching, guys.